Hi there, my name is Jennifer, and in this video we're going to be discussing pressure. So we have to determine what the pressure is and how those force arrows look like when acting on a submarine that is not moving. For the submarine to be stationary, let's say that this cube is our submarine, all of the forces acting on the